Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Shillong Municipal Board ne kasngi ka arpunre ture ujileu. Hapo ka jingalam jong Chief Executive Officer uba BS Solia. Kala pelong ya ka jinglet lum Khanasamari ya ki jai benreu harjan. Ki basong basa hatam yo Mawlong khnang ban yo jingkhen ya ka jingdon jong ki breu ki basong basa hakani ka jaka. Komon chupurkan mau Dangshan Katnat Land Records and Survey ringkat berki officer jong ka Shillong Municipal Board lembat ki menteri jong ka office usiem ka himamelim kelek bantau banwo ya kani ka jaka katkum ka jing patha jong ka high level committee ka bala thong ka sarkar jilla hadian balami ka jing dawa ka bajor na ki pajba ban penkariya no mardo rik jai benreu harjan ki basong basa hakani ka jaka hadian ka jing sasho permensa jong ki laingot ki khana kasi haka life way trek ubna jemang balala hatem yo Mawlong hakani ka jing lom Khanasamari ya ki officer jong ka Shillong Municipal Board la senran langru da ki magistrate bat ki pulen namar bagi jai benreu harjan ki la pelong biang ya ka jing song kalan mangor ban persya ya ka jing temu ka sarkar ban penkari ano ya ki nakani ka jaka kabran markhap bat ka yodo kane ka jing temu jong kinong trai ka Shillong Municipal Board kala pulom no namar ba bon tli ki yeng hakani ka sngi jong ki jai benreu harjan ki bran sakandong ka chrat ki la khang talalun.
The survey will be ended up, so the relocation matter will again come up.
We have figures. We have to check that out with what we're doing now. We have around 128, established from school working with us.
We're in constant talks and mediation with these people who are in charge here. So as the day progresses, I hope we'll be getting good results and good figures. As of now, I won't say cooperate. It's not. We're not getting any. Cooperation. It's like it'll pick up. Like I said, no, it'll pick up. Let's talk with the people who are in charge of this place here, and then as the day progresses, let them get their cooperation and better cooperation.
Tadi kalau kat kumka, jumpa ada juga high level committee di pelong kaneka inventarization, mengia le banyo ki kliwing wat ki brio. Dan kat no brio kat no ki anu kli ki kliwing. Yang patla ban ajin ken taman ki dan rio team pi la kajong ki le. Di salum de gitu sibet selesai. Sa ajin ken ki bor bahalor. High level committee lembaga sarkar.
Henne hi kasngi kit khot jong National Human Rights Commission kala hiar satham yo Mawlong hadian bakilayo ya kajing ujor na kibreo ki basang basa hakani ka jaka haba persang banyo jing pencai halor kani kajing wan jong ki kit khot jong ka NHRC kila kantaj banyakran bat kilat pathai khobor haba persang par ban kali na ki bor sarkar halor kajing wan kit khot jong ka National Human Rights Commission kabas ngolingo banyo sngo bawat ka sarkaru kamdan jingtep ARUM halor kani kajing wan jong ni ka kunhon.
So you've been going around collecting statements, sir. How do you assess the situation, sir?
Let us complete the work. We'll tell you everything.
So on which complaint? On which complaint have you come, sir?
We have been directed by the commission to be here.
Very clearly, I already told you, kindly come out with my statement through your daily newspaper or through electronic media. All that. See, the government is here to protect everybody in the state of Meghalaya. That's what I requested also for our friends, whoever coming into our state, they are most welcome. But at the same time, they should not misunderstand things because the government has taken care of this issue. we have taken care, and I keep saying again that permanent solution will be reached at the earliest possible. Okay? There is no question of injustice being done by the government to anybody. Justice prevails, and we doing justice. And since this issue is a very long pending issue, as I already said to you, give us time, because we would like to bring a permanent solution on this particular issue. The responsibility of the government is what? To do justice to everybody. I'm telling you, we are committed to that. So I have nothing to say with anybody coming in or going out for influencing anybody. That I don't believe. My philosophy is not there at all that I would be influenced by anybody by their frequent visit or coming to our state. I think that is not at all my agenda, because as I said to you, we are here to serve the people, and then we carry along every section of society.